A century is 100 years. Centuries are numbered ordinally in English in many other languages. A centenary is a 100th anniversary or a celebration of this. Typically remembrance of an event which took place 100 years earlier, and its adjectival form is centennial. Start and end in the Gregorian calendar. According to the Gregorian calendar, the 1st century AD, CE started on January 1st, 1, and ended on December 31st, 100. The 2nd century started at year 101, the 3rd at 201, etc. The nth century will start on the year -99 and ends in 100 times then. A century will only include one year, the centennial year, that starts with the century's number. 1st century BC and AD. There is no 0th century in between the 1st century BC and the 1st century AD. Also, there is no year 00 AD. The Julian calendar jumps from 01 BC to 01 AD. The 1st century BC includes the years 100 BC to 01 BC. Other centuries BC follow the same pattern. Dating units in other calendar systems. Besides the Gregorian calendar, the Julian calendar, the Aztec calendar, and the Hindu calendar have cycles of years that are used to delineate whole time periods. The Hindu calendar, in particular, summarizes its years into groups of 60, while the Aztec calendar considers groups of 52. Centuries in astronomical year numbering. Astronomical year numbering, used by astronomers, includes a year 0. Consequently, the 1st century in these calendars may designate the years 0 to 99 as the 1st century, years 100 to 199 as the 2nd, etc. However, in order to regard 2000 as the first year of the 21st century according to the astronomical year numbering, the astronomical year 0 has to correspond to the Gregorian year 01 BC. Alternative naming systems. In Swedish, Danish, Norwegian, Icelandic and Finnish. Besides, the ordinal naming of centuries in other system is often used based on the hundreds part of the year, and consequently centuries start at even multiples of 100. For example, Swedish 1900-talet, Danish 1900-talet. Norwegian 1900-talet and Finnish 200-sataluku refer unambiguously to the years 1900 to 1999. The same system is used informally in English. For example, the years 1900 to 1999 are sometimes referred to as the 1900s. This is similar to the English decade names. Bibliography. The Battle of the Centuries, Ruth Freitag, U.S. Government Printing Office. Available from the Superintendent of Documents, P.O. Box 371954 Pittsburgh, PA 15250-7954. Site stock no. 030-001-00153-9.